Welcome to this beautifully designed Chad Davis-built home in Sherwood, ideally located just minutes from Middleton Elementary, the YMCA, neighborhood parks and trails, and the charm of Old Town Sherwood. Completed in 2020, this modern home offers an entertainer's backyard, thoughtful design, quality craftsmanship, and recent updates throughout. Discover an open, light-filled floor plan with high ceilings, custom built-ins, and a cozy gas fireplace. The kitchen is both stylish and functional, featuring quartz countertops, a large center island, stainless steel appliances, a gas range, and a walk-in pantry. Take entertaining outside to the spacious paver patio with a built-in fire pit and a gas hookup for grilling. Just off the entry is a flexible office or den. Upstairs, the generous primary suite offers a relaxing escape with a luxurious spa-like bath and a large walk-in closet with organizers. A fourth bedroom can easily function as a bonus room, media space, or playroom. This home has been meticulously maintained with recent updates including new interior paint, new carpet, and updated lighting. The fenced backyard has room for play, pets, gardening, or just relaxing in a private setting. With its modern design, thoughtful updates, and fantastic Sherwood location, this home is truly move-in ready. Contact Chris Olson with Premier Property Group for more information or your personal tour.